If double-ended jiggers is still your thing, then step forward the Barfly bell jiggers. These jiggers really fit perfectly in the palm of your hand. They're a big favourite with bartenders because they're just nice to hold there. But these are 25ml and 50ml. We've got the 6 in the range here at Drinkstuff. The ones missing from this lineup are the plain sort of stainless steel one and the copper one. So this is the vintage copper one. I've got the gold one, the gunmetal black, and the straightforward vintage bell jigger there. Just to kind of show you inside, there is a couple of lines in here to make your life easier. In the little end, in the 25ml end, we've got a line at 15ml, so you can kind of gauge your 15ml quite easily there. And in the big end, we've got a line at 40ml, and I know because I've just tested it with my another jigger. So 40ml, so 40ml you can gauge, and then 50ml. But I say they're just lovely. They are proper high grade, kind of made of stainless steel as well, so they do feel solid. Absolutely no flex in them. They are going to last you years and years and years, and they look super cool as well with the Barfly logo written on them. So that is the 25ml and 50ml double-ended bell jigger. They're just perfect if you're kind of flashing. You've got your finger movements going to a T. I can't really do it, but you could have some fun sort of flaring around with these.